Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NCLH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. A very brutal move today. In trading terminology, this is what we would call a gap and trap. So what do I mean by that in case maybe you're new to charts? So on Tuesday, the price closed right there, and then this morning, the price opened right there. So it opened up compared to where it was, hence a gap up. And then after the market opened up, you can see that nice move. I mean, the price started to move and move and move and move and move. I mean, you just can't make this stuff up. Look right where it got rejected. We'll come back to that point later on. But the point here being is after moving, there are some poor souls that were buying up there. And then from that point, it was essentially all selling pressure the remainder of the day. So that is the gap and trap that comes in, or that came into play. And this is now a big question. All right, well, how bad is this gap and trap going to get? And this is where, in my mind at least, $16 is definitely a very, very important level. And I'm not saying this is what's going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, let's say that the price actually comes down to 16 and then falls below it. At that point, from a very literal point of view, you would quite literally have the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out of yesterday. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, especially after making very impressive movements. I mean, give credit where credit's due. From where it was at these lows to all the way up there, very nice move. But to have that all of a sudden go right back to where it was, that's just not a good sign of power at all. Again, I'm not saying that that's what's going to happen, but that's why that $16 mark is very important moving forward as an area of support. On the flip side of things, as far as areas of resistance are concerned, I already talked about this, but it's all about that pink line right there on my chart denotes the very well known, the very famous 200 period moving average. So can't say that's exactly shocking to see the price get rejected right from there. But current value of that level is right up there about 1785. So watch that from the resistance side of things. But as of right now, especially with the big pullback, at least in my opinion, top priority is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance. More so about, can this stabilize out at a higher level by staying above $16? We'll see how the week continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.